So today we are going to discuss about the concept of message handling in the ODATA services. If you remember in the ABAP, where you are raising some messages whenever you're going for the validations or success messages so that user could be notified what is the status of this. For example, whenever you are going to download functionalities, download it successfully. When you go for the selection screen validation, when user does not provide any input, please provide input. When the user gives the input which is not relates to the database record, please enter correct input. Like this, we are raising the messages so that user could have the confirmation about what they are looking for. And similarly, you can do in the OData services too. You can do OData services also. But how we've returned in the ABAP is little bit different. It is completely based on OOPS level. Okay, completely based on OOPS level. And I'll give you some of the standard classes and the methods for it. So you can note down those classes whenever you want. So that should be recommendable. Okay, recommendable. Let me open one notepad file. Okay. Let me go over the full screen. So the class, the first one is slash IWBEP slash IF underscore message underscore container. This is the first class. The second one is slash IWBEP slash IF underscore MGW underscore CONV underscore SRV underscore runtime. Similarly, these are the two standard classes which will be important when it comes to the message handling part. And similarly, when we come to the methods, as we know in the ABAP, also the message, how you decoded the message. Two ways, right? One is hard coding a message in the program or wherever you are writing. That is the one way. The second way is getting the message from the message class is the another way we will be having. Okay, we will be having, and that is also possibility here also, but for each of the processes we'll be having a different method. Okay, for example, we are having the one of the method called as add message. Okay, add message. Okay, whenever you want the message should become from the message class, from the message class. Okay, if you want the message from the message class, you have to implement this method. Okay, this method is available in this first class. Okay, let me show in the practical system also. And similarly, next one is add message. Okay, sorry, add messages text only. Okay, this is the message when you want to hard code. Okay, hard coding message. When you want to hard code in the directly OData services, not to create message class and getting the message from that. So directly you can hard code a message in this method itself. The last method we will be having is add message from 𝐵API. Okay, this method will be very helpful to you. And the another method This is similar to the message class, getting single message. Okay. And whenever you want multiple messages to be displayed, okay, so here another method you will be having add messages from BAPI. Okay, we can display multiple messages. Okay, we can display multiple messages. And let me show you in the system level so that you could be clarified with the practical part. It's not just theoretical part. So let me go to the SE24, which is the class builder, where we can see our global classes. Go for the display. So in this, see now we are having the add message. Okay, add message, add messages from BAPI. Okay, add messages from BAPI. Whenever you want a message from the message class, text only. See now, adds an error message text without a corresponding message. Okay, add message text only whenever you want hard coding a message. So like this, you will be having. Even if you see here add messages from BAPI, it returns an internal table. See IT BAPI messages, which is an internal table which is having this type. Okay, this is the table type. Now you can see what is the message type: success, error, warning, info, about message, message ID, that means message class name, message number. Okay, can we inherit this? Definitely we can inherit this. And similarly, the next thing we'll be having is let me see, add message, go for the parameters. So now you can see message type, message ID, message number. See now you can inherit from the message class. Okay, the only difference in this is you can display multiple message in this method because it returns all the messages in the form of a internal table because of this. And if you see here, add message text only, if we go with the parameters, okay, if we go with the parameters, so now you can see it is only displaying what is the message type and message text. Directly you can hard code that message, whatever you want to display that. Okay, this is the practical demonstration how the message handling